see sketch fillet. What are the sketch fillet and how to use it? So just select our one plane, top plane sketch. Now we selected a sketch. Now see, this is the fillet, sketch fillet. Just drop down this menu and there are two fillets. First we will discuss sketch fillet only, and this one we will discuss in our next lecture. So sketch fillet, how we will I will explain you. First select line and draw any small geometry. Exit, choose center rectangle and draw one rectangle. Okay, now select sketch fillet. Select two sides, see the plane created, or select direct corner. It is showing here. Keep constant dimension. Everything will be same, and dimension each fillet. Select OK. So the dimension will be visible. Click OK. See, it is radius 10 mm. It is showing the radius 10 mm. Again, if you want to choose, select one radius. If you want to increase 20 mm, OK. And if this is selected, keep constant radius. You can directly drag and drop and select all the corners. See, all automatically converted 20 mm. Click OK. See, it is converted. Even if you create many geometries like this, select chamfer fillet, sketch fillet and choose 10 mm. Select one corner, or no need, or directly select all. Increase radius, see, select OK. So all selected. So it is very easy and the simplest tool to define any corner radius. I hope you like it.